a mindfulness meditation for healing racism in the workplace. The issue of racism in the workplace is a deeply concerning issue that requires a mindful approach. Mindfulness meditation can help us in cultivating an awareness of our thoughts and emotions and give us the tools to heal the hurt that racism causes. This guided mindfulness meditation is designed to help you to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings about racism, to connect with your inner wisdom, and to focus on affirmations that promote healing and positive change. Setting the scene. Before you begin this mindfulness meditation, make sure that you are in a comfortable and quiet place where you will not be disturbed for the next 5 minutes. You may sit or lie down, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Take a few deep breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth, to help you relax and let go of any tension or stress. Bringing awareness to racism in the workplace. Begin by taking a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to become aware of any thoughts or feelings you have about racism in the workplace. You may feel angry, frustrated, hurt, or helpless. Just observe these thoughts and feelings with curiosity, without judgment or criticism. Visualize a situation where you have witnessed or experienced racism in the workplace. Take a moment to notice the details, the people involved, the emotions that come up for you. Allow yourself to fully experience these emotions and then gently let them go. Repeat this phrase to yourself. I acknowledge the hurt caused by racism in the workplace, and I choose to respond with compassion and understanding. Connecting with your inner wisdom. Bring your attention to your heart center, the area around your chest. Place your hand on your heart if it feels comfortable. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine a bright light shining from your heart. This light represents your inner wisdom, your highest self. As you continue to breathe, imagine this light growing brighter and brighter. Allow it to fill you up with love, compassion, and understanding. Know that you have the power within you to heal the hurts of racism in the workplace. Repeat this phrase to yourself. I am connected to my inner wisdom, and I trust that I have the strength and resilience to bring positive change to the workplace. Affirmations for healing racism in the workplace. Repeat the following affirmations to yourself, one at a time, for a few moments each. I choose to listen with an open mind and an open heart. I am committed to creating a workplace that is safe and welcoming for everyone. I am part of the solution, and I will use my voice and actions to promote diversity, equity, and inclusion. Take a few deep breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth, and allow yourself to come back to the present moment. Know that you can return to these affirmations and this meditation whenever you need to. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Racism in the workplace is a complex issue that requires ongoing work and commitment to change. By practicing mindfulness, meditation, and affirmations for healing, we can cultivate the awareness, compassion, and resilience necessary to make a positive impact.